So, hey YouTube, I thought I'd show you guys the client's hair. I've started working on, I actually pre-braided her already, and I actually put a net on this part of her hair because this is where her weakest spot is. So I used a net here so it'll take the stress off, but I braid the rest up. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply a 8-inch weft on her hair. 8-inch. And I'm going to just braid it in back and forth and just create a like a afro type style for her. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish this up, and I'm gonna come back and show you how we're gonna do this this weave in here. So I'm taking these wefts and I'm just going from side to side, and the netting is protection for the hair in this very center. So you do see that netting in there, and I just tacked it all down to give her some support, give her some strength in the middle there. This client kind of had a illness, and so she had most of her hair came out. So we're just fixing her up. And so we said we'll just do this with her today. And so there you go. We'll just keep putting this weave in. And we're going to go around the whole head with this weave and achieve a curly hairdo for her. What I'm doing here is I'm keeping the tracks like super duper close. So if you notice here, I have like 4 tracks in already, but I'm not even separating. I'm leaving them doubled because I want to give her a lot of fullness. And I'm just going just slightly above this one and just right up underneath it, like really, really close. That's where the net comes in and helps out too. It helps you have area to grab. Otherwise, you're just going to grab and braid. So if you have that in there, at least you got something else to grab hold to. And that's what we're doing. We're going to continue taking it right on in, right next to the next track, and just go real close, and it's going to continue to get full. Then the top, we're going to change positions in that area. So if you notice this, I'm braiding like really close to the very next one. See how that's here and this one's here? I'm just going really close to that one right there, just to make it so we can fill it in. It's going to be a big fill in as we're going in there. And see, we'll just go right up beneath there. Okay. So this is probably row 4 of double, so it's probably considered like 8 rows of hair, and so the tracks is 8 rows, but they're very close together, very, very, very close. And the netting does help because it gives you that space to put more tracks onto that. So what I'm doing with her is I'm taking this piece to here, to the edge of this, and I'm just going to sew it just past that, just a tiny bit, and just want to just lay, and then we're going to start doing a circle on the top. Okay, we're losing that. Let's put that pin inside there. There we go. And I'm just taking this right to that corner there, and as you see, I said I'm taking it to that corner there, and I'm going to stop there with this here. We're going to pick it up again. I'm going to start it again with more hair for the other side too, and come right back around. Okay, so this is what we have so far. So what I'm doing now is if you saw me first of all, I went from side to side with that. Now I'm going around. I'm going to continue around until we end this. Still using very close sections and staying very close to the left in front of the first one. And that's what you do. Keep staying very close to it, so it'll make it really full. You want it really, really, really full. So the only way to do that is to stay close. Stay close to that. To the first track. So, and that's what I'm doing. I'm going to go here. And I'm going to go very close to the very next track, right about there. So I'm going to keep going right on around. So again, as I was saying, now we're getting close again to that bottom track. And this time we're just going around and around. We're going to continue around and around and around until we complete this entire weft of hair, and then add more if we need. And get her on here. Have a little cute. Give her a cute little something at the end here. So, see there, we're going to go right there. We're going to just keep it very close to the other weft. You don't want to make it too big because then your gaps will be so wide, and then the wind blows, you'll see all that. So you want to try to avoid keeping it separated. You know, keep it close. Okay. So this is what we have. So far we've got a circle, and we're going to keep going right around until we go boop, right in the center. Now that I'm down to, if you notice a little tiny hole right there, so you get down to that, you left cut a piece of the hair, like that much out, and I'm going to just take and, usually you can roll it up and stick it inside there, but I'm going to just take and work it in there and close it up. Just close it right on up by just taking it and just keep winding it in there until I get it down in there pretty tight, because you want that to be really just closed up to nothing. If you can work it in there, get it closed up. So I like to just keep working it until it just goes in, and it'll do it if you just do it just so. And I'm just bending because if this hair is kind of tight, the weft is kind of tight. So if you can take and just roll it just a tiny bit to make it go in there, because it's kind of, the weft is kind of tough, you know, the sewing, the thread, and you want it to go in there. Then to really cover it up, I mean, it can become a little tiny knot in the center, like a little ball, you know, where it caught everything. And you just keep bringing it in, and you want to close that in. And by the time you're done, you're gonna eventually pull that. When you pull that, it's gonna actually pull everything down inside there. So I'm just going in. You probably can't hardly see it because it's kind of a little tough up in there. Because when you get to this point, it gets a little tedious. Here's my knot. But let's see, the great knot remover, right? And pull it. When you pull it, all that piece I just showed you starting to go down inside there. Right inside there, you want to kind of hide that out. And sometimes I'll take it and I'll do I will go and I will, oh, there's that piece in the back. Forgot that piece got slipped away. Oh, not a problem. We will get to it. I will take this hair and I will put the thread right at the tip of this, and then pull it all inside that way too. And then by that point, I'm taking it, I'm drowning it inside other pieces. So let me get in there and do that real quickly. And a little bit tedious there. All right, so there we go. And you just gotta know how to get it, because this stuff is kind of like, let me have it tilt back. If you look at it, I'm just going to bend that and make it roll. See there, I made like a little roll. And then it's going to pop down inside the little hole that you had there. And, well, that weft is kind of thick. So, we will take and just stitch it in, go underneath it. We'll do it that way and pull it in. Because the weft hair on that weft is like, oh my goodness, it is so thick that it hurts your finger trying to bring that in. That hurt you? Oh, that's right. You don't have no feeling up there.
I just feel like a helmet on my head.
No, I don't want that. I don't want you to hurt you at all. And if you see that, I've got that piece of hair right there, that weft, and just keep pulling it down. Keep pulling it down inside there. and it'll start hiding out. Okay.
Yes,
Woohoo!
it does.
Isn't that cute?
Get my big loop earrings.
Yeah.
That looks so cute.
That is so cute. And this almost looks like your hair is like just bushy on the bottom.
Yeah, because I like how now, see, it looks good.
It does. It looks more natural, right?
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks cute. Look at that. You can wear it like this.
See, I knew you got it.
Too
See,
funny.
See?
Don't you feel good? Oh my
Yes,
gosh.
I wish I would have came like months before.
Oh, I know. You could have wore this, well, the winter time. But now summer, you can now be cute.
Yeah.
Be cute for the summer.
Oh, that looks so nice, man.
Yeah, this is cute.
I didn't think it would be this nice, to be honest.
Yeah.
Because I was thinking about how my hair, I'm like, I said, but she did so many miracles on my damn hair.
But we'll get it grown again. It'll do something. I mean, I can't promise too much, but we can try with it and do something. You know what? You really don't have to do much with this if you don't want to. If you want to do anything tonight, you can put a little bit of stuff on it and twist it up with some cream or just put it down like this. And put conditioner and water.
Yeah, but tomorrow I will.
Conditioner and water in a bottle.
Okay.
And that'll help you come up. I'm glad I did that. I hate for you to go to work and that comes out like that.
Yes, I like that.
Cute.
I really like it.
Oh yeah, this is adorable. Oh yeah, I'll let you see the back in a minute. My new makeshift stand. Alright. Okay, so this is our finish. We took weave and we put it in. We're going to start with a net. And we put all the tracks like very, very close together. And we do have like a little piece left over. But we double tracked the whole thing. And then we sewed one behind the other. Very, 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 very closely. Just pretty much like that. To give her this really full look. So we used pretty much about 3 packs of the little 8-inch hair. And we closed it up. We started out like this, like a smile face all the way over to the side till we got to the ears. And then we came back and went into a circle until we finished it up. And this is our end. This is our result. She wants to wear it natural. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. So if you guys like this video, subscribe and put a thumbs up. Bye. Thanks for watching. Fern from the House of Glam.